Hello guys, my name is Savi. I'm sorry for my bad English. I'm from Puerto Rico and my main language is Spanish. Today we are going to run through 10 Cydia tweaks that will make your iPhone unique. Let's start with Shuffle. Shuffle is the best way to organize your tweaks on the Settings app. So you have tweaks, applications, and system apps. Normally you will have those on the bottom of your settings application, but unorganized. Here you have them organized. It has a little bit of options like change the title of the folder, but we are not gonna do so because we like it like this. Now let's go to Cylinder. Cylinder is the best tweak to replace the rotation of your home screen apps to a mesmerizing animation. The effect we are rocking on this iPhone is the checkerboard scatter. As you can see it here, it look like this. You see the rotation? Now let's go to our third tweak. It's called SmallCity. SmallCity minimizes city without blocking your whole screen. The only setting that it has is to place city on top or bottom of the screen, like you see here. SmallCity, top or bottom. To activate city, you just need to say "Hey Siri" or hold the power button. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now with the fourth tweak that we're gonna see is Snowboard. Snowboard it lets you activate a theme on top of every app and customize it at your liking. And it also changed the shape and scale on the icons depending on your preference. As you can see here, Snowboard, it has select theme option and icons option. In the select theme, I'm rocking the theme called Viola. In the options of the icons, I'm rocking with the custom corner radius, which you can change to be square, as so, or to be circular. You can change it to being like a normal phone or close to it. And that is Snowboard. Now we're gonna go to Axon. Axon is a priority hub for your notifications. It has some settings here which I don't touch. I like it how it default comes, and it look like this. Here are your notifications. As you can see your messages, your Instagram posts, Snapchat comments, and even it says that I was recording 10 minutes ago. All your notification will look like this. If your face is not recognized by your phone, the message will not appear. Like here, you will see JW send me a J. So if my face is not recognized, it will not show any of the message. Only the person who sent it. Now, the next tweak that we're going to see is ColorMeNotPup. You can see it here. It lets you colorize all your notifications based on their apps. As you can see here, you can see messages notifications are green, Instagram notifications are pink, and Snapchat notifications are yellow, as well as the record screen notification is red. You can see it also on your first page of your home screen. Now let's go with the sixth tweak. It's called Sylph. Sylph lets you give you a tiny music player on your home screen, on your lock screen, sorry. If we go to a music app and play music, we will not hear it here. Let's just put K from AA, and if we go to our control center, to our notification center, sorry, we will see the app running music. You can skip the song or stop. Also, you will see it has colors, right? With that, we are rocking ColorFlow 5. ColorFlow 5 lets you colorize everything on your music player, on the music app, lock screen, and even works on Spotify. The only downside to this is that it costs $1.99. It's a paid tweak. PowerModel is a 9 tweak that we're gonna show today. You can see you can activate respin, reboot, safe mode, lock screen, power mode, and UI cache. This you will have it on your control center. If you go to your control center, you will see on the bottom left the CC power module. You have respin, reboot, safe mode, and power down, lock screen, and UI cache. You just press it there and it asks you if you are sure to continue. The last but not least tweak, and more important I think for newcomers on this Jailbreak community, is TweetCompatible. TweetCompatible doesn't have a preference bundle for settings, but if you go to Cydia, you can go to sources and you see that it says TweetCompatible, and you can search there TweetCompatible with your iOS software, as you can see here. You can see sort by reason, most viewed, or alphabetical. Sorry for that. You can see your working, like working, not working, or unknown. I just keep it on working so I can see what is new. And you can hit the tweak and it will show you how many users have approved the tweak. Even so, in other ones, it shows you the repo to download it, like so. With all these tweaks, we complete our first video from amazing and unique tweaks for your phone. This is on jailbroken phones having Cydia by Uncover or Checkmate. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and share for more. If you want videos in Spanish, let me know and I will do them. So, thank you for your support.